Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. So the first thing that you should do if your WhatsApp notifications are not working is to go to WhatsApp, to the application, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go to notifications and scroll down until you will find an option called Reset Notification Settings. Like here, what we are going to do is we are going to reset all the settings of notifications, because sometimes you may modify some settings or some options, and by doing this modification you may just make these notifications to stop appearing on your phone. We have to click on it and click on reset, and like that WhatsApp will reset all the settings and options related to notifications. And after that we should go to settings on your phone, and after that scroll down until you find apps and look for WhatsApp. And as you can see here, there is an option called notifications. Go for it and be sure that you are allowing notifications like this. So like that, notifications are not allowed. You have to change it to allow notification like this. And you should check if you are allowing notifications in all the places where you want notifications to appear, like in the lock screen, in the notification center, and as banners. And you should check also if you are allowing sounds, badges, and also if you want to show those notifications on your Mac, if you are using a Mac, of course. And if those settings are good, you have to check after that you are not on just focus mode. You have to click like this and be sure that there is the do not disturb mode is not active, and also the focus mode is not active, because sometimes when you activate the focus mode or also when you activate the do not disturb mode, this will not let the notifications to arrive to your phone. And there is another thing that you should be aware of it, is that if you are using the WhatsApp also on your computer and your WhatsApp account is open on your computer and the WhatsApp tab is active, that will make WhatsApp to send the notifications to your computer first before your phone. And sometimes if the conversation is open on your computer, so the message will go directly to it, and for WhatsApp the message will be already opened, so WhatsApp will not send you any notifications on your phone. So after checking all those options and all those things that I told you, normally WhatsApp WhatsApp notifications will work again normally on your phone. I hope that this video was useful for you and that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.